It's too good? It looked kind of refreshing. Let me tell you what, sis, you know what else is refreshing? Seeing one of our beautiful sisters stop and hear the word of the Lord. Because they're too busy listening to Sexy Red and Meg Thee Stallion, right? We get some of our righteous sisters here to shine their light a little brighter. You know what I mean, sis? You God's chosen people, sis. You and Israelites. All right? Touch my hand. Much love to you, sis. All praise to the Most High. All praise to the Most High. All praise to the Most High. Let's let the next mighty brother come up here and bring the word out. All praise to the Most High. God, show him.
I don't know about mighty. I ain't nothing really. Most High is the joint. I just got two scriptures, man, before another great and powerful speaker. But give me who's gonna be my reader? I'd like to get Deuteronomy 14:1, bro. We are here today to call our people and to let you know that the greatest man who ever walked on the planet Earth, the greatest man who ever was and is a Negro. And his name is Yahushua. That's right. He came and he promised us a world to come. Not this world, not this corrupt world of paganism, homosexuality, pornography, pedophilism, rape, robbery, murder, and plundering. We got a world coming where you Negroes are going to rule. That's right. Where every nation is going to have to come and bow down to you. We are here to let you know that the brother just told you that you are special. We ain't talking about special K retarded. We talking about special, as in Sakana to Yahweh. You are the people of the Most High God. Deuteronomy 14:1, bro. Read that.
Deuteronomy chapter 14, verse 1. Ye are the children of the Lord your God.
You are God's chosen people. You are his children. A lot of you like to say everybody is children of the Lord. Yes. But God has a special one. Of all the children, he chose only one. And that's you Negroes. You so-called West Indians. You so-called Puerto Ricans. You so-called Cubans. We got the sign right here. This is a guidepost. The Lord knows that we were scattered to every corner of the planet Earth. But this guidepost is according to what the Lord told the prophet Ezekiel. Put the names of the 12 tribes of Israel on a stick. There you go. And this is stick. And the stick in Hebrew belongs to the word wood. It's itazah. And the Lord said, put